Hello! Demand for UX/UI designers has been growing recently. So let's discuss. What is a UX/UI designer doing? Why UX/UI designers are in demand in the market? What skills should UX/UI designers have? How to develop a successful career in UX/UI design. So who is a UX/UI designer? In simple words, it is a designer who can research users' behavior and needs to create a relevant experience for a website or a mobile app. Then he would be using this data to design an interface. It is not just drawing a nice picture, but a more complex approach to understanding how to guide customers through an interface to achieve results. This specialist actually can impact the success of a business directly. That is why UX designer is in the top 15 most paid jobs with an average annual salary of $100,000 in the US. So how to become a UX/UI designer? To become a UX/UI designer, you do not need to have a bachelor's degree. Actually, most universities do not offer any degree in UX/UI. You can learn those skills in practice and also learning online. To become a UX/UI designer, we would suggest focusing on such subjects: theory of design, UX design process, service design and customers experience research, web design, mobile apps design, tools like Figma and Adobe XD. So how does a working process for a UX/UI designer look like? User experience comes first. A designer needs to think about the service, user flow on a website, and interaction with a service. The main question to answer: how does it work? UX designers should understand people's needs and behavior while designing the experience to address those. UX design starts with research, ideas to test. UX design process includes workshops and communication with other people. UI stands for user interface. It is about visual representation. And the main question to answer: how does it look? A designer should decide on how to highlight the most important information and attract users' attention. UI designer takes care of typography, chooses colors, style, and branding, decides on spacing and readability, a hierarchy of the elements, icons, and images. A good design is like a good joke. When you tell a joke and everyone is laughing, it is a good joke. But if you need to explain it, most probably the joke is not that good. To be able to create a good design and be a professional UX/UI designer, it is essential to have strong skills in research and design, build a solid portfolio, work on projects, follow the latest trends, as well as make sure that a design of an app or a website is not just beautiful, but also fast and easy to use without any explanation. To learn more, check our professional course in UX/UI design.